See this question number 7. This is pause the video and see this question first. This is pretty easy question and very very basic question. So the solution is given in backside of the book. So here is the solution. As you can see, it is very easy. At the end we have to just substitute x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 8, which is given in the question, the condition. But I wanted to solve it by another way. The other way is it is not that short, it is little long, but it has a very geometrical approach, right? We can use simple properties of circle to solve the question. So just for the sake of applying other concepts, like thinking in some other way, we can solve this question for that sake only. So as we can see, circle x square plus y square is equal to 8. It is, we know that it is a circle and its radius will be root 8, that is 2 root 2. So what we can do is that and the condition I have just drawn here. So what we can do is that we can pass a tangent from here, right? So this here it will intersect, and we know by the property of circle that this will be equal to this. Also we can see that this is a right angle triangle. So 2 root 2, this is whole is 4, so 16 minus 8, that is 8, and its root will, so this would also be 2 root 2 a, and this, suppose it is p, so ap is also 2 root 2. Here we can see that it is an isosceles right angle triangle. So and also just join this, adjust it, 2 root 2, here we can see. So we have studied in class 10th like this. So if it is 2 root 2, it is 2 root 2, and so this is the condition. So it would also be 2 root 2 by the property of this circle. So as we can see, like if we draw a line here, it will be perpendicular. All we have studied in class 10. So if this is perpendicular, right, and also we can know that the coordinate of a is 2 comma 2. How did I find out? Like this is as you know, is isosceles right angle triangle, so it would be 45-degree angle, right? 45-degree angle. So 2 root 2 cos 45 is equal to x coordinates, because it is y coordinate, y axis and x axis respectively. So we can easily find out the coordinates of a, that is 2 comma 2, because it is 2 root 2, so it is 2 comma 2. So if we draw a line here, right, and as you can see, so what it would become? Obviously it will become 2 comma minus 2. Easily we can see this. Now how did I find out this? Is that we know the x coordinate is 2, so this would be 2, and this whole is 4, so it is 2, right? This distance is 2, right? This distance is 2, this is 2, this is 2 root 2, so obviously this distance will become 2, and if this would become 2, then this whole would become 4, because we know this bisects the angle. So the distance from a to this x-axis, from x-axis to this point is 2, we know, and 2 plus 2 4, and the question is given that b is the point on the circle and AB is equal to 4. So here we can see that AB is 4, so B would be here, and obviously the coordinates of B is 2 and minus 2. Also there will be another point from here, as you can see, like this. By symmetry we can say, or by you can know by symmetry we can say this: if this is true, 2 and minus 2, so it would also become negative of x-axis, because we are moving along x-axis, so it would become minus 2. So this was the geometrical method to do that. We can also do that method also. So this method I liked pretty well, because there is not much calculations involved, just little geometrical manipulation.